In this tutorial, I'm going to show you the coupon and let's see how it works. So we have a lot of coupons here and we can add a new one. And we can select the product which the coupon should be applied to. We can see all of our products, all product or courses and the communities and groups and everything is there. So I will select let's select a course first, machine learning. And okay, before we go ahead and maybe we can check out the pricing for it. Let's go ahead and click on all product and it has 350. So I will give a name to this coupon, test. Let's say we give it test product, and code we can give uh, nine, whatever, doesn't really matter. And we can give a discount of 50%, and you can decide how long this should be used. We can say once or forever, and number of times this coupon should be used, so we can say 10 times, and we can actually give an expiry date that it should be valid for. So let's go ahead and click on the coupon. And one more thing, we can we can add as many coupons as we want at one go. So I will not do that maybe. So let's go ahead and click save. Our coupon is created. So let's go ahead and try that coupon in our product. So currently this is how it is charged, and we can click on it and apply the coupon here. So coupon was applied here and we can see our coupon pricing. $250 was actually discount. It was 350. Let me just check it out. So first month 350. Okay, I have to remove my upsell here. So I just removed the upsell and I see that 350 50% of 350 is 175. So I think this is quite good. Now we can actually go ahead and purchase with this amount, and so the coupon works this way. And let's go ahead if we have any other way of purchasing. So if I go ahead and click on products and try to apply this coupon to our different products, we will be able to see an error here. So let's go ahead and create a coupon for all courses here. For all courses, and let's give a flat discount of 10%, and number of time is 50, and expiry date you can leave it blank. So let's copy this one. Let's see if it is getting applied for all the courses here, and we just apply it here. Perfect. We got the discount of $11 and it was adjusted quickly here. So this is works, and we can apply it across the whole system. So instead of saying all courses or all communities, we can say it all products. So that is another awesome way. So we can say all products here, all products, and we can give a flat discount of, let's say, 20% of all products. We can define, we can leave the quantity as well. Perfect. And now let's see if this is applied here. Perfect, it is applied here. We can go ahead and click on all products and then maybe select on a group chat and click on it and apply the same coupon for this product as well. So that is applied everywhere. So we have a very flexible way to apply a coupon for all products, or specific to all product type, or individually per product. So it's really amazing. Hope you have understood, and thank you for watching. Have a nice time.